Hello.
How are
Good,
you?
thank
So
you.
at
And
least,
you?
yeah, I'm fine. So at least we are in the call.
Yes.
So how are you doing today?
I'm, yeah, very well, thank you. I'm just on time. You must have been a bit early.
Yes, I always join like 4 or 5 minutes earlier than
Ah,
the actual time.
okay.
That's a good impression.
I agree. I agree.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So you reached out to me with a appointment setting service
Yeah.
of some kind, and I sent back to you my very detailed
Mhm.
ideal client profile. Pardon
Yeah.
me, I work on a commission basis for clients,
Hmm.
performance related, so I have to be extremely choosy about the clients that I do work with.
Okay.
So, hence my strict criteria. So, please tell me more about
Okay.
your thing.
Okay. Actually, so let me introduce myself. I am SN. I'm a founder of Sales Squad, and I was a freelancer before. Before I was working as a solo freelancer, so I was top rated on the various marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, this kind of stuff. But when my account gets suspended after a couple of years, then I was shattered. Like my whole income was gone. Okay, so from that time,
Oh
maybe
dear.
four, 5 years ago, I never back on the platform, and I am trying to building my own business. And from that time, I am doing cold mail and. I grow my agency from zero to $35,000 all by cold mail. I don't do any kind of Facebook ad, Google ads. I am a core strength on Facebook and Google ad. This is my core skill. But slowly, I shifted on the things here on the client acquisition because I think this is the great skill. Because if you have client, then there is people who can work for you, right? So that's why I moved in only generating client like via cold mail, LinkedIn outreach, different platform I using for outreaching. And if you see my website, it is not yet indexed on Google as well, and I don't even index because it's a great example for any kind of client. If I show like my website even don't index on Google, but I am making $35,000 in a month. Okay, so it's all by cold mail. I never run a penny on Facebook and Google ads. So I only do cold mail, and I reach out to you because my main targeting, like when I improve my situation from that time, I think like I can help the people like me who are in the marketing agency sector, or who are a solo and marketer, or Google ads or something expert on.
Hi, SN. Hi, SN. The call just stopped partway through for some reason.
Yeah, like anything happened because I can't connect. Something happened on your side.
Not to my knowledge. I was just, you were talking and then the call just dropped. Anyway, don't worry
Okay,
about
so
it.
that's the things, like I help my client to get client on autopilot. Okay, so it will be like I'm giving you an example. Like think about that, you are reaching to 50,000 people in a month. On your ideal client, you are reaching 50,000 people. Let's say, but you are reaching 10,000 people, not 50,000, 10,000 people. So if you have 1%, just only 1% reply rate, so then also you will get almost like 100 reply. On 100 reply, maybe 50% are the positive reply. You will get 50 positive reply. And you think maybe 5% are the or the maybe 50% of the meeting booking rate, then you will get also 20 to 25 meetings. And if you are good at sales, the standard says on 4 calls definitely will book one client. But if you are good at sales, it will be more than that. And if you and as I am doing a background research before joining on the call about you, so I saw your website, and I think you are a good salesman as well, and you have a great case studies, so I think it will be more than that. And the ICP you provide me, I am really like it's precious that most of the client don't know much about their ICP. And when because I have experience, like when I send the onboarding form, they don't know much about their ICP, so we need to learn them or teach them how to do it. But when you emailed me, I was shocked. Like, you know, each and every point of your ICP, like who is doing how much sales and how much, and that is great. Okay, so that's great. So we can only pinpoint our targeting and we can reach only the relevant people who are needing your services. Okay, so we can do that. And on cold mail, this is the thing, like you can scale easily. Your own you myself like yourself a Google ad expert, so you know that every keyword has a CPC on Facebook and Google. I don't need to understand you that thing. So if you run a Facebook ad, so you know that a unknown person can click and they will cut your money. But there is no guarantee they will click, they go on your website, maybe they go on your website, but there is no like surety they can book a call, right? But they will cut your money. You can't scale properly if you don't have the budget. But on cold mail you can, and also you don't know who is searching for the targeted keyword. It can be CMO, it can be owner, founder, CEO, or it can be the intern, or it can be individual person. But you will lost your money. But in cold mail you can only reach to the inbox of the owner, like as I am reaching to you. Okay, so you can reach the same of your ideal client profile, so you can hit their inbox and they will read your email and you will pitch 10,000 people. And don't you think in 10,000 people you don't get 20 people called booked in a month if you do it properly? It's possible, and it's not a fancy things. It's scalable and you can scale it anytime. Like if you are wanting like 4 or 5 client in a month, maybe you are reaching out for like 10,000 people in a month. Okay, but you need more, like you have a capacity, you want to like close more deals, want more appointment. Just you need to like if you are getting 10 positive client from 10,000 people, then reach to 20,000 people, then you will get 20. So it's so scalable. It's so scalable. If you do a great job on your client work, then you will also get a lot of referrals, like as I am doing. And the referrals client charge is much, you know that, like you will charge more. So it's a great thing. So if you just try it, and I think it will be great on your business, and we can scale your business as well. And did you watch the video I sent you on my YouTube channel and the LinkedIn? Oh, I already sent you some videos on the
Yeah.
YouTube and LinkedIn. I have a small LinkedIn channel. So like yeah, LinkedIn, and I sent a connection request on the LinkedIn to you yesterday.
Oh, I must have been too busy. Sorry.
No, you accepted, but maybe you don't visit my profile. But okay, I will send you a text as well. And on the YouTube also, I try to teach people how to do cold mail. I have pretty much a small channel, but we will grow.
So, do you teach people how to do this, or do you do it for them?
I do it for them. But if you are an expert, you don't express yourself to the world. Like if I don't reach out to you, you don't know me. I am the expert on cold mail, right? So that's why
Right.
I just started recently, maybe 3 4 months ago, a YouTube channel to potentially be a expert on this like particular industry, to become the expert on this industry. So that's why I started a YouTube channel.
So,
So
okay. So how do you find these advertisers who are out there advertising that might be interested in what I do? How do you find those?
like who are doing Google ads, like who have a
Yeah.
Google ads advertiser verification account, right? Like we
Yes.
we are a market like we are a cold mail agency, so we have different tools. Like there is a lead database called Apollo, there is Crunchbase, ZoomInfo, there is Murana, there is a lot of Google scraper, instant data scraper, lead sniper. There is a lot of
Okay.
tools. We have like bunch of
Okay.
tools. So on the help
So,
of this
okay,
tool,
so you can find
yeah,
other advertisers who are out there, and I have particular industries that I'm interested in, and some
yeah,
industries that I'm not interested in.
yeah.
Some that have done very well, and some that haven't done very well.
Mhm.
So you then find these advertisers, you find their
Yeah.
websites, you
Mhm.
then track down I mean, I'm interested in conversations only with, CEOs, founders,
Yeah.
owners, that sort of level. I'm not interested in marketing managers or e-commerce managers or so forth, because they are the gatekeepers, and what I do is probably going to make them look bad. So
That's the thing
they
I just tell you. Like
so
that's the till
so
previous. Hmm. That's the thing
so
previous.
I'm potentially a threat to those people. So I need to reach owners, founders, CEOs, FDs, and so forth. Um,
Previously I just told you that, like, if you want to reach the owner, founder, CEO only, cold email is the best one, because on the ads you don't know who are clicking on the ads, right? It can be intern, it can be
I know.
like
Yeah,
e-commerce expert, but you
yeah.
can only find the leads about owner, founder, CEO, CMOs, whatever your ideal profile is. We can only pull out those lead, and after that we can make a irresistible. I will help you to make some irresistible offer for your service. Like if you told them like I do Google ads for you, no one will get agree. You need to sell their desired outcome. Like as I am selling you or trying to selling you or pitching you our service, we will book you
Do
like
you do you do that? Do you do that part of it? Do you craft the messaging?
yes, everything, like from set up the
Okay.
cold mail infrastructure to craft your email leads, craft your email copy, like signature, subject, everything to send, and again the inbox management to reply them. And when we get a positive reply, then I will notify you on your email or on the WhatsApp,
What
whatever.
are your charges and how do they work?
Okay, so it depends. Our charging depends, and let's say you want to. We have two options. Like we have two options. One is monthly retainer, and one is one time setup fee, and one time setup fee, and one a small monthly retainer. That is, maybe you want to send
I
thousand.
don't do monthly retainers.
Okay,
I don't pay monthly retainers.
okay, then we can do paper call book. That's a good model. It's a commission. How many call
If
I will.
it's if Okay, what I'm looking for, what I need to have happen is a Zoom meeting
Hmm,
booked in Calendly
hmm,
with particular information
hmm,
already, so
hmm,
that I've been able to look at their Google Ads account and see whether I can make any improvements
hmm.
on
I
it,
got.
and then to have the appointment. And for that appointment, having seen their ad account, I would pay for that.
Hello.
You're back again. So if your video froze then for a few seconds.
Okay, sorry, can you please
So,
repeat?
that's what I need is an appointment booked with the decision maker of a Google advertiser
Hmm,
in a certain sort of industry,
hmm,
and that I've already looked at their ads account. And this is the way I work: is I I audit the ads account. I look at it first of all, and then if I think I can improve it and add value, then I'm willing to have this meeting with the prospective client. And for that, I would pay you, because most of those meetings, I close most of those into actual paying clients,
yeah, actually, the pricing model
and
we
then
have
they
to.
pay me monthly on a performance basis.
Okay, got it. We can also work on your side.
Sorry.
We can also work on your project as a commission based. That is pay per call booked. Like you are doing an audit on Google Advertiser account, right? So we can sell them like we will audit your account. So if we find any kind of loophole, we will try to improve you. And after that, we will
Yeah.
work as a commission basis. We will make an offer like those. And if you, when you book a call in my calendar, you need to answer at least 8 to 10 question, right? So that is the verification, pre-qualified lead. So if you don't want to meet with me, then you will don't have time. You don't have time to like read that question or answer. So we will make your calendar
Yeah.
like those. So we will put a similar like eight
Okay.
to 10 question about themselves. So they will answer and they will book a call with you. That means the prospect is verified. They need your services and they're willing to join a call with you. So in the call,
Right.
then you can talk about your auditing service. And because if you just want them to audit your service, most of the people willing to give you the access to audit because you are not pitching them your monthly retainer, right? So after that, when you have a like decision you can improve, then you can sell it and easily you can do it. And we don't charge you any kind of monthly retainer. We will charge you like pay per call booking. Like every call we will book on your calendar, on your calendly, you will give us $100. Okay. So if we book you 20 call, it will be $2,000. If we book in a month 10 call, it will be $1,000. If we book like 50 calls, it will be $5,000. It depends. It will be on performance basis, like how much we are performing, you will pay that much.
Okay.
Okay.
So you charge $100 US dollars for an appointment booked
Yes,
with eight to
because
10 boxes ticked of
sir,
pre-qualification.
an appointment book is not like a easy thing. Like we need to cultivate our setup, we need to set up our cold mail infrastructure. After that we need to send a lot of email to your ideal prospect, and after that maybe reaching 10,000 people, you will get 20 people, you will get 15 people. So it's a tough job as well. Okay. So so that's the things. And in the first, you need to build your cold mail infrastructure. This that's why you need to spend maybe
I do or you do?
no, that's
I
you need.
do.
That's
Pardon?
that's you need to build, because the cold mail
Oh,
infrastructure, it will be always on your side. Like most of the agencies build the cold mail infrastructure, but they don't give the access to their client. But in our case, we are different from that. So that's why our closing rate is high, because when you pay us about building the your cold mail infrastructure, maybe you are reaching you are like sending or reaching 1000 email 1000 prospect a day, like you are sending 1000 email per day. So we will make that infrastructure and we will give you a admin access of you. Okay, we will make you an admin. And after that, maybe after a couple of months, maybe 2 3 4 months later, you think we are not good fit for work and we are not giving you that much quality result, then you can do what, you can remove us from your infrastructure. And after that you can maybe hire someone else, or you can try by on yourself. But the infrastructure you build, that will be always on your side. We will never take back or
okay.
something like that.
So I build something to your specification or your guidance and then add you as an admin to that. And then you manage the outreach from my email infrastructure. Is that right?
Like if you for making the cold mail infrastructure, we need to buy maybe 30 domain, 90 email boxes.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
No,
That
like
holds
I'm
no interest.
sorry.
That holds no interest. That doesn't hold any interest for me at all.
No, I'm telling you, you don't need to do anything. So you just need to pay upfront a small setup fee, and after that, all the month we are like in the next future we will work.
How
That
much
is,
is that?
it will be $1,500, and I'm giving you the in cost breakdown, how why we need that. Okay, so assumption of you tell me I'm taking a calculator, so I'm giving you the ekdam clear result. So at least we from the 1500 you will give me, so we will buy 30 domains. So 30.com domain, it will be all your secondary domain. Like if your main website is david.com, so we will buy domain like trydavid.com, buydavid.com, with
Okay.
david.com. So this kind of secondary domain. So 30 domain.
Okay. I already do have an agency doing this kind of work with me at the moment.
Hmm?
So I'm kind of covered in that respect. So this call with you today was really just to see, how what the nature of your service is and how it works, and based on my client profile and so forth. So okay, I understand what you're describing there.